Okay guys, do you think this box set is worth it? This is Batman box set by the way. And binili ko lang siya para dito sa Batwing. Batwing ba ang tawag dyan? Batplane pala. But the way I see it, I think maraming throwaway dito sa box set na to. I think ang best part of this box set is the Batplane. Okay, so ayan, isa-isahin na natin from my least favorite. Itong SWAT na white van. White armored truck, by the way. It's made out of plastic and magaang lang siya. I think this is just a repaint of my most favorite Hot Wheels car, itong chrome na armored truck. It's the same casting, same model. Again, it's made out of plastic. But this is my favorite because of the chrome gold. Yeah, it's the same casting. So next one, ang next sa aking least favorite. Actually gusto ko to, kaya lang I don't like the color. Sana ginawa na lang nilang black. So in the future baka i-custom paint natin ito. And this is 2004 Batmobile. Again, I like the casting but I am not a fan of the color. Compare dito sa Tomica na ayan, ang ganda oh. It's the same model. Kaya lang black talaga ang Batmobile. Maybe in the future i-custom paint natin ito na lang. So compared to Tomica, of course it's no contest. Okay, pangatlo sa ating list favorite, itong van ni Killer Croc. And this is 70s van made in 1974. Ganda ng decal paint niya and I like the wheels also. Yung chrome gold. Yan, 1974. I like this one but not so much. Although, ang ganda ng kanyang metallic green, no? Tsaka yung Killer Croc na design. Ngayon, ito naman yung pangalawa sa aking favorite dito sa Batman set. And this is, I think, Boulevard Bruiser. Ganda ng decals niya. Si Catwoman. And ang ganda rin ng wheels. And of course, ang ganda ng casting. And I think, dalawang klase yung kanyang decals. Magkaiba. Oo nga, magkaiba. Galing. This is my second favorite for this box set. Pero sana mas maganda to kung black matte, no? And meron pa siyang gulong sa loob. I like the wheels design also. Beautiful. Now we've saved the best for last. And this is the Batplane. Mas maganda sana to kung medyo mas round pa yung kanyang casting. But before we look at that, let's check out this stand. May kasama siyang stand. Just like other planes ng Hot Wheels. Let's take a closer look. It's smoke black. Now, let's see the elephant in the room. Akala ko nung una, metal siya. Pero plastic lang pala yung kanyang wing. It's plastic. Pero metal yung kanyang cockpit. Yan, metal yung cockpit niya. I like the shape but it could have been better kung mas round yung ano or mas oval na shape. So just like yung comment ko sa Boulevard Cruiser, sana matte black na lang yung paint na ginamit nila rito. Ang ganda niya sa stand, oh. And ayun guys, do you think it's worth it na bilhin itong box set na to only for this bat plane? Actually, ang dami niyang mga throwaway. Ayan. Maganda siyang ilagay sana sa diorama. Uh, but I think it looks better kapag ka itong Tomica ang lalagay natin sa diorama kasama ng Hot Wheels na bat plane. Instead dun sa Hot Wheels na Batmobile na kasama niya. So I think yung diorama na gagawin natin is Hot Wheels and Tomica combined. And as you can see, meron tayong blank frame dito. So yan, ini-imagine ko kung paano ko siya i-display sa diorama. This Tomica Hot Wheels, this Tomica Batmobile and this Hot Wheels Batplane together. Imagine natin how it's going to look. So pipaintingan natin in the next video yung diorama natin. And yeah, please like and subscribe para makita niyo yung end result. And with that, thank you very much for watching. Excited na ako gawin ng diorama na to. I think it's going to look good. So we're going to paint the background. Tingnan natin, hanap tayo ng magandang Gotham na scene na design. Okay, bonus part of this video, showcase natin itong ating other collection ng Batman team na Hot Wheels.